Hey, you, I'm talking to you. Do you have $20,000? Well, I know it's probably going through your mind. Should I buy Bitcoin or should I buy real estate? In this video, I'm gonna share with you why and why not you should either buy Bitcoin or real estate. What are the pros and cons? Let's get into it. My name is Raul Bluefin, and I help people start and scale their real estate investing business, 0 to 5 deals per month, all virtually online. Now, I know what you're thinking. Raul, you're a real estate investor, you're biased about Bitcoin, and you're biased that real estate's better. And although some of that is true, I do own some Bitcoin, I do own some crypto, so I'm not completely biased, and I'm gonna share with you my honest, true opinions on both asset classes, why or why not, some pros and cons on each. The first thing I wanna know is, if you have $20,000, $50,000, $10,000, and you're looking to invest it, make sure that this is investable income, okay? Make sure that this money does not affect your rent, where you live, your eating, your health, okay? So that's the first thing I'd say. And before you really invest money into assets, I would really invest money into yourself, into building up your skill set so you can make more and more money, and then you'll have plenty more to invest. That's just a little caveat before we get into the nitty gritty. Now, let's say, Raul, I got all that covered. This is like 20,000 investable income, right? This is 20,000 that I got all my bills covered, we're good. Okay, cool. So obviously there's a huge wave and craze that's been going on for years, it's not just happening now, about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoins and Ethereums, and obviously you have many, many coins, but I'm just gonna say Bitcoin and use Bitcoin as crypto in general. I know for you crypto heads, you're probably gonna be like, hey, that's a very newbie thing to say, but for the sake of the video, Bitcoin is crypto, okay? And then I'm gonna talk about real estate and investment properties and investing in real estate, okay? So let's talk about crypto for a second. What is it? It's decentralized. It's, you put your money in there and whatever everybody says the money's worth in the app, that's what it's worth. You know, it can go up to 100,000, it can go up to 10,000, right? Obviously, there's speculation of both ways, but crypto, the pros of crypto, if you invest your 20K in there, is no one's gonna mess with you, okay? Unless you lose your password or your token or something to log into your account, your money's pretty safe. And I like that the government can get a hold of it, and I like that if inflation keeps going up and does all these crazy things, your crypto is gonna be worth more for sure, by definition, by statistics, okay? Because crypto is an asset. What I do like about crypto now, if you have 20K, 50K, 100K, what I like about crypto is a lot of these apps are offering you loans based on your crypto at a 50%. So if you have 20,000 worth of crypto, some apps will loan you $10,000 against it at a fair market interest rate. So you can use that 10,000 to do other stuff. So ever since crypto started doing that, it's gotten high on my radar of an asset class. I really enjoy that crypto's doing that. So now that's a great pro of crypto. Let's talk about some cons. The cons are, you don't really get any dividends. You don't really get any passive income from it. Yes, I know there's some programs that you put your money there and it pays you a return every day for like hosting it and letting people borrow it. That's a little bit out of my scope. So if, I would say watch another video if stuff like that interests you. I'm saying in general, you go on Coinbase, you go on one of the big apps, you buy some crypto, you don't really get like a passive check or a passive wire deposit every month for owning an asset in crypto. So that's what I'm saying. The tax benefits are kind of unclear. There's a lot of loopholes, obviously, in every tax system, but I don't like the fact that crypto is not very clear on what you can do with tax-wise, active income, passive income. It's strange. It's kind of like the stock market. If you have a lot of earnings, you're gonna pay a high tax rate. If you have losses, you could write that off. So there's some pros and cons, but I don't like that overall, you put your money in an asset and you can't like depreciate it on taxes. Now those are some pros and cons of crypto. Let's get into the real estate part. Now, if you had $20,000 and you would ask me, hey Raul, should I invest it in real estate or crypto? I would say with 20K, I'd invest it in yourself first. With real estate, I really like to have people, if they're gonna buy their own property, I'd really have them save up to like 40 to 50,000 because it's a little more comfortable. However, let's say you did have 20,000, we're like, yo, we gotta figure this out with 20K. The way that I'd buy real estate is with a partner. I'd find somebody else with 20K, we'd buy a house together, we split it 50-50, right? You put the down payment, you buy a $200,000 house, you put a 20% down payment, that's 40,000, you put 20, your partner puts 20. The house, let's say you rent it, let's say the house makes $500-600 a month, 300 for you, 300 for them, you're making a return on your $20,000. So in the future, although it's slow, right? It's a slow growth, right? Bitcoin, you can go from 20K to 200K, or you go from 20K to 8K. In real estate, you know that you can go 20K and you're gonna get your money back in this scenario within 5 or 6 years. So eventually you're gonna have all your money back, and then it's gonna be all profit. The property's gonna be paid off and everything. So that's the way I'd buy the real estate with 20K. Now, what are some other pros of real estate? You got tax depreciation, right? You could do your research or ask your CPA of exactly how that works. What I really like about real estate and rental real estate or passive income real estate is that someone else is paying for your house. And I know that sounds a little messed up because you're like, oh, that's like kind of not fair. Well, yeah, life's not fair, okay? Life has its funny ways, but it's better to be on this side of the token than that side of the token. So I'd rather be the homeowner and let somebody else pay for my house than complain about it and just never do it, right? So I currently own 10 or 11 rental properties now. And yes, I have mortgages on almost all of them. And the other person, the person that's living in there, is paying for my property. So within 7 to 10 years is our plan, we'll have these properties paid off, and then I'll have it free and clear, and then I can do whatever I want with them, even though I can still do whatever I want now. So the reason that the pro goes to real estate, and my decision will go to real estate if you had $20,000, I would say do real estate first, build passive income, cash flow, invest in yourself, then save another 20K, and then put some away in crypto. But build yourself a life that is predictable first, before you go into the unpredictable world of crypto. And I know I'm probably gonna get shit for this and, oh, crypto's predictable, this and that, I got it. But let's be real. Is it really more predictable than real estate for the past 100 years? No. So I would say let's get that 20K, get into real estate some way, somehow, find a partner, find a buddy, figure it out, get a loan, buy a house, cash flow, and use that money to pay it off, invest in yourself, and then go out there and invest in crypto if you want, go invest in any asset class that you like. But real estate is a great slow game, and if you can have a little bit of patience, you'll absolutely freaking crush it. Guys, if you want to learn more about how to find off-market rental properties, how to find passive income, please like, subscribe on this channel, click that bell if you want to get some notifications every time I come out with a new video. And it really boosts our channel every time you like and subscribe or share or comment, and it'll allow me to keep making free content for you guys and absolutely crush it. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.